station, noticed that the brakes were hitting, period, and then all of a sudden it was just a big boom.
I ran out just due to the fact that I didn't know what was going on. When the folks were running away, you know, I had realized, oh my God, the train didn't stop. It came through.
What we know is that this train came in at a high rate of speed into the station and crashed through all of the barriers, bringing it right to the interior wall of the Hoboken terminal.
We started bright and early this morning, but it is our first day. We did get the recorder from the locomotive last night, but it takes time to get the information from the reporter if it's even available.